It's a common mistake to believe that tiredness and discouragement are the same thing. They are not. One is a signal from the body, a simple, physical request for rest and recovery. The other is a story the mind tells itself about the journey. We often conflate the two, letting physical exhaustion color our perception of our progress and our potential. But it's crucial to learn to tell them apart. A person may feel utterly exhausted and still remain deeply hopeful. Think of the student studying late into the night, tired but fueled by a dream. Or the new parent, bone-weary but filled with an overwhelming love. Their bodies are calling for sleep, but their spirits are not defeated. This is the vital difference. Tiredness is a state of being. Discouragement is a state of mind. So, what does tiredness truly mean? It needs care, not negative conclusions. It asks for simple, compassionate responses. It needs rest, whether a full night's sleep or a brief, quiet pause. It needs hydration to replenish the body. It needs a moment of sunlight on the skin, a few deep breaths of fresh air, or the gentle rhythm of a short walk. It needs connection, a quiet moment with a loved one, or the simple comfort of a pet. It asks for nourishment, not judgment. You can answer this call with small, practical steps. When fatigue sets in, pause. Take 3 slow, deliberate breaths. Step outside for just a minute. Make a warm, comforting drink and savor it without distraction. If you can, allow yourself a short nap, even just for 10 minutes. Or open a notebook and write down one small thing you are grateful for. These are not grand gestures, but small acts of kindness to yourself that honor what your body is asking for. So do not confuse fatigue with failure. They are worlds apart. Rest before you judge your progress. Rest before you make a decision. Rest before you believe the story that you are not enough. Rest, and then, when you are ready, continue on your way.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.